What's up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this video. I have actually finished my today's video and I was just resting and just a new update came and that update was it is a very big problem or it's a big issue for all the people who are using iPhones and iPads, and not just any particular iPhone or iPad is affected with this problem, but all of the active 1.4 billion iOS users or iPad and iPhone users around the globe from iOS 8 actually are suffering from this. Well, your security is actually super weak. There is a problem. In today's video I'm going to be discussing what is that problem and how you can keep your device secure. And just don't say that I might not be affected with this problem, because every single iOS user on this platform is affected. So guys, without any further ado, let's get in our today's video. Recently, the Apple's facial recognition system, Apple's Face ID, was hacked. If you don't know, there's a thing called as SQLite database. This database is present in every single operating system, let it be an Android device or an iOS device or a Windows device. There is a special set of programs called as SQLite database, and that database actually is like a key for the operating system. And that database, there was a company who managed to hack this database, and practically if you are searching for any contact in your iPhone or in your iPad today, or just doing any single task, that a company can get your all passwords, can get all of your information, your personal data, your banking system. If you're using Apple Pay, or it's all of the information can be hacked through that process. So what are going to be the solutions? It's a pretty big deal. You might not believe, but there is not a single video yet available on YouTube regarding this topic. I searched a lot, and now so I thought it important to make this video for you guys. It's a big deal. You might say that this okay, it will get solved in coming days, but till that period your data should not be lost. That's a big deal. So I'm going to be now discussing how you can solve this problem, or how you can prevent your iPhone or iPad being hacked from this device. Solutions are not very different. If you're iPhone 10 or above user, please guys, for some period of time till the iOS beta is released, please make sure that you disable your facial recognition system. In case there is some problem, your device, if it get by chance affected, please make sure that you are not using your facial recognition system for a short while till the iOS developer next beta actually comes, just because it's a very dangerous task. That you can say that the SQLite database is practically built for all of the devices. So 1.4 billion active iOS users can suffer this problem, all of them even. So just what I want to tell you guys is disable that. Just do your manual passcode lock and that unlock, and just try to avoid all of the pirated stuff. Try to avoid any other downloading any other app than which are available on the Apple's App Store. Don't get to jailbreak or some kind of things. Jailbreak might not be affected, but it's always better to don't get problem on our first hand side. So just I want to tell in today's video that this is a severe problem. 1.4 billion iOS users can get affected with this issue, and just don't search any contacts application, or just try to be little bit secure till the next iOS beta version actually comes. That will come in a 3 to 4 days span. Till then guys, this is my sincere request. I might be handling a small community here, but it's my responsibility to tell what is actually happening in the current state. Actually, this is not any other news. This is from a trusted website. It is from Forbes. And just I want to tell that this is a serious matter. So guys, just follow these rules and just be secure. And just I wanted to aware you guys that what is actually happening. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and